Hey guys, I want to give you guys a little bit of a rundown on my everyday carry. This is what I have with me anytime I walk into a service call, anytime I'm going to go ahead and do any sort of light repair. If I need to go ahead and put it on a belt, I always can because there is the ability for you to slide a belt in through the back. No, this thing's been great. It's been doing miracles for me. I know there's definitely some better options out there in terms of better organization, just finding better ways to carry items, but this has worked great for me. It's just your classic Milwaukee, just a little tool bag. I went ahead and picked this up maybe about 5-6 years ago, and it's been doing miracles for me. In here, I'd like to keep it very basic. I do also have like the big tote, but I realize the bigger the bag, the more I carry, and you start to lose the essence of what it is that you need. So starting off pretty nice and light. These are Knipix wire strippers. These things are real nice. They're real great. They're real smooth. They work a lot better than the Klein forged wire strippers, just because even though you do get a nice head on there, so if you want to ever go ahead and just pre-twist some wires, you can do that with this and not have to take out your linesmans. But these are real nice. I did go ahead and nick them. I hit a live wire a while back, but it's all good. We'll replace these soon. Following that, I do always like to carry the journeyman style needle nose from Klein. These things are great. They also do have some that come with indentations for wire stripping. I'm not a big fan of those, so I just like to go with these classics. They work great. You are going to beat them up quite a bit, so do expect to replace them ideally every couple years. Then a big one for me is these diagonal cutters. I actually just picked these up. For all the apprentices out there, you will lose tools left and right. These here are a replacement. I've had to replace my diagonal cutters. I think I've had to replace them like 4 times in the past 3 years. It just happens, guys. You're going to be up in an attic. You're going to go ahead and lose it. You're going to put it in the back of your pocket, and before you realize it, it's gone. Following that up, I do also have these right here, which are going to be our linesmans. These ones I've had for some time already. These have been with me for about, I want to say maybe about 3-4 years now. They're real nice. I forget what I did, but I think that's a little bit of grease. I did some work on the car and I used them for something I forget. And then lastly, you are going to need a multi-bit screwdriver. This is a 6-in-1. It's a Craftsman. I usually carried Klein, but I went ahead and bought this one because it's a little bit sleeker. It's a little bit very simple. You can't really go wrong with it.